Welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, we are now in the month of October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I just want to say big up to all my fans, all my subscribers. Big up Anjay, big up everyone who watching this channel. So guys, sometimes take some time out and show our loved one who are battling cancer. So thank you guys for stopping by. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, what I am wearing today, in October I wear pink. So yes guys, I know a lot of people out there, they are battling cancer. So sometimes our loved one have to be there for them. So guys, thank you again. Just enjoy the walk with me on the beach. Early morning settings, just a little motivation speech for you guys. You know I do a lot of tours in Jamaica, but today I plan to take the time out to talk to my fans them, talk to everybody out there in the world. So sometimes you have to take some time.